Hi guys, thanks for purchasing DeepSeek Reloaded. In this video, you'll see a simple walkthrough of the software, along with a short live demo of the DeepSeek Reloaded tool in action. After successfully registering your account, log in using your credentials. Upon successful login, you'll see the dashboard. It has a simple and user-friendly UI, allowing easy navigation to any feature within the tool. On the left side panel, you'll find options to navigate through various features of the tool. These include AI Chat Hub, AI Image Generation, and AI Video Generation tools. If you open the AI Chat Hub, it will display all the latest and most useful AI chat tools, such as Grok, OpenAI, Zero3 Mini, Google's Gemini, and more. Next, clicking on the AI Image Generation feature will provide access to 4 of the latest and most advanced AI image generation tools, including Midjourney, DALL-E 3, Flux AI, and Gemini AI. Moving on to the AI Video Generation tool, it is equipped with the latest AI video generating technology. You just need to enter a prompt under 100 characters and then click the Generate Video button below. Now, the main highlight of this tool, the Pro Tools option in the left panel. It is fully loaded with over 200 plus of the latest and most advanced AI tools. When you open it, you'll see numerous tools available, making it a complete AI toolkit that every organization needs in today's world. Additionally, the tool includes a training hub to help you understand how to use the features, which is especially useful if you're a beginner to DeepSeek Reloaded. Next, we have the bonus perks section, which is available with the Pro subscription. When you purchase the Pro or Unlimited pack, this feature will be accessible to you. It provides unlimited AI chat, unlimited image generation, and an unlimited SEO tools pack. If you wish to upgrade, simply click on Get Unlimited Access below and complete your purchase. Finally, there's the Support Center option, where you can get assistance from our team in case you encounter any issues with your account. Now let's proceed with the live demo of the features. First, I'll start with the AI Chat Hub. Select any AI chat tool from the list, enter your question or request, and it will generate a response based on your input. Next, let's check out the AI Image Generation tool. To generate an image, you'll need a text prompt describing the image you want. The AI will process your text input and create an image accordingly. To get a prompt, I am using the AI Chat Hub tool, which provides a simple image generation prompt. Now that I have the prompt, I'll copy and paste it into the AI Image Generation tool. The tool successfully generates an image from the provided prompt, and you can download it to your device by clicking the Download Image option below the image. Finally, let's explore the AI Video Generation tool. For this, I'll use the AI Chat Hub again to get a video prompt or description. Make sure the prompt is under 100 characters. After pasting the video prompt, within a few seconds, the tool will generate a video based on the given input. You can click Generate Video multiple times to get your preferred version from the same prompt. Additionally, you can change your account password in the Settings tab at the bottom. Simply enter your current password, type your new password, and click Update to apply the changes. That's a simple walkthrough and tutorial of the DeepSeek Reloaded tool, along with a live demo. If you have any queries, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching.